Welcome to the Papyrus Business Correspondence Solution video series. This video focuses on release management and document simulation with different business data by testers. All documents produced in the previous videos are still in group development. The release manager can view the release progress and all items in release and finally finish the stage. Documents and building blocks are now promoted into the test stage. The release manager goes ahead and assigns testers. In the test management workplace, the tester has a look at the newly designed letter. The tester loads simulation data and skips through different datasets to verify that the document's business logic is working as desired. Since the birth date in this simulation run is before the defined due date, the table with the special offer is not displayed. Therefore, the correct execution of the business rule is verified. The tester now has a look at the more advanced document. Loading the simulation data and skipping through the different datasets allows to verify that the dynamic charts are working properly. Depending on the number of invoices used in the simulation data, the automatic page break of the table is checked. Everything looks fine, so the tester approves both documents. After having voted, the state switches to passed. The tests are successfully finished. The supervisor does a last check of the documents before they are released into production. The supervisor can also compare different versions of a document. Textual changes, for example, are very transparent this way. The supervisor then promotes the release into production. The release manager sees that all items are now in production. The whole release process is finished. In the next video, we're going to look at the library reporting possibilities of the business correspondence solution.